Hi guys, this is Ocean from Ocean's Toy Box, and today I'll be showing you how to build a Lego Bionicle mask stand for 2015 and 2016. So of course you will need a mask. I just got this one like a few months ago. Pretty cool, I know. This came with the set. And yes, I do have this from 2016. Looks pretty darn cool. So anyway, down to the building part. First, you will need to take the eye stalk and the head. You don't need a clear head, you just need a 2015 or 16 head. Then put the beanstalk in. Head stock in there. Why did I say beanstalk? Okay, anyway. Then you take this half pin and put in here. So you have this. Then you take this. And you take this. Put that there. And then you need 3 of these half bushings. Then just slide all of them onto this. And then you take the head and put this in here. Then you take the shield piece and you pop this in here. Then you go the underside of it. Then you take this. This doesn't have to be clear orange. It's just what I have, so I'm using that. And you pop that on there. Then you have the mask stand ready. So then you can take your mask. First, I would just like to take a second to go over this. So, yeah. For the stand that comes with this set, it has this thing here for the stand. And it has these ancient runes all over it, which I find really cool. Wonder how they managed to do that. But anyway, we didn't come here to do that, so just pop the mask on there. So now you have this stand. And you just push down on this like any normal head, and I also have this. I can't seem to find my golden one, so I'm just using the blue one, so this works on here too. I don't even know why I have this. I just do. This won't fit on here. So thank you, and feel free to like and subscribe. Also, put a comment down below. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.